After a long day of makeup and shoot in sun and dust, the skin demands some rest to rejuvenate and to glow. And I don't go to bed without giving my skin that pampering session. And for that pampering session, what's better than the Blue Nectar Kumkumadi Radiance Glow Night Serum? After removing my all makeup, I washed my face and applied 1-2 drops daily on my face, followed with a gentle and supple massage before going to bed daily. It is 100% natural with a soothing aroma that moisturizes my skin, improves its texture and structure. The Kumkumadi Night Serum gives me radiant glow that my skin demands. This is the part of my daily routine before going to bed. For the supple, radiant glow skin, do try Blue Nectar Kumkumadi Radiance Glow Night Serum that works wonders on all skin types.